State Democrats are proposing a new law that would eliminate taxes on feminine hygiene products. The bill is commonly known as the tampon tax. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson spoke with women who are tired of paying more money for items they need.
In the state of Michigan, you don't have to pay sales tax for items considered food or medically necessary. So, for example, I didn't have to pay sales tax on this candy bar or this iced tea or on these fiber gummies. These were also tax exempt. But I did have to pay sales tax on these pads and tampons. Believe it or not, they're not considered medically necessary. In fact, they're categorized as luxury items.
Oh, luxury. That's interesting. It's no luxury.
Do you feel luxurious when you have to use them?
No, absolutely not.
Some call it the tampon tax. In the state of Michigan, most medically necessary items like prescriptions are exempt from Michigan's 6% sales and use tax. But products used during a woman's time of month are not defined as medically necessary.
What would you do without it? Go like in the 1800s when they used corn cob? I mean, come on.
And for most women, their Aunt Flo, moon cycle, period, comes every single month for decades. So there's a lot of money spent on tampons and pads.
Because you need it from a teenager to menopause.
Legislation was proposed last month to make menstrual products exempt from Michigan's sales tax. If it's passed, Michigan would join 10 other states in exempting tampons and pads from sales tax. Both women and men I met support it.
On the front, I'd say it's not fair. I say, that they should probably shouldn't be taxed,
Equality for all.
For those against repealing the so-called tampon tax, they say this amounts to millions of dollars for the state of Michigan every single year. And if you repeal this tax, then where would those tax dollars come from? They want to make sure there's a replacement in place before deleting one of our state's sources of income. I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.